is made by limitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lutfi Hadi bin Muhammad Raimi, and now I would like to present my group project, Global Research Trends on Glass Radiation Shield using Scopus database. Okay, first of all, this slide was prepared by Phy370 Hakimi, and this video was edited by Muhammad Nur Faris. Okay, now this is our abstract. Our abstract is the rising demand for glass shield and the availability of it have stimulated research efforts around the world. Glass shielding material has received a significant attention due to its broad range of applications. Our aim was to evaluate the global research trends in glass shielding material area based on co-authorship and affiliated countries, and co-occurrence of author keywords. Using Scopus database, a total of 716 journals were published between 1943 until 2020 were retrieved. For the introduction, bibliometric analysis is defined as the attempt to quantitatively assess the academic quality of journals or authors by statistical methods such as citation rates. Bibliometric is also defined as the use of statistical methods to analyze the bibliometric publications data, such as peer-reviewed journal articles, books, conference proceedings, periodicals, reviews, reports, and related documents. During this research that being supervised by Sir Muhammad Ashmeh, he guided us to carry on this research using an online database platform which is Scopus. We were delighted to learn these new things as being taught by our former lecturer who had been served for a while in UiTM Tapa, known as Dr. Jauhara binti Mat Kurzari. Next, this is our literature review. As you can see, we have cited some journals or articles that we managed to find using the online database Scopus. Okay, for the methodology, first, we have to find the title for the project, which is Global Research Trends on Glass Radiation Shield. Then, this project was conducted using bibliometric analysis method. Third, bibliometric analysis need a database as a medium, which is Scopus. Next, based on the project title, the searching of articles was started. The results then have been sorted out using the information. Next, the journal that related was recorded and those that are not related was removed. When the journal's results were finalized, the journals were analyzed in the form of tables and figures. Lastly, the figures and tables were then explained in a written report. Figure 1 shows our workflow during this project. A total of 716 articles were identified by Scopus using the correct title and the correct method. By removing 155 articles, only 561 articles remain. Then, we refine our search by adding the specific terms to the central. Next, Figure 2 shows the annual and cumulative numbers of research articles. Next, this is our Table 1, which is the top 10 most productive journals on research with their most cited article. The TP column shows the total of publications, while the TC column shows the total of cited. As you can see, the most cited articles were published by Elsevier and Springer Nature. move on to Figure 3. This is the top 15 most productive countries and academic institutions in publications. Figure 4 shows a screenshot of bibliometric map based on co-authorship and affiliated countries with a network visualization mode. Move on to Table 2. This is the list of 15 most prolific authors in glass radiation shale research area. Next, we have Figure 5. It is a screenshot of bibliometric map created based on the author keywords co-occurrence with overlay visualization mode. Actually, Figure 4 and 5 were created using VOS Viewer. For the discussion, we are able to gather the information needed by using Scopus as database. We found that the number of publications increases significantly from 2016 to 2020, which means that more researchers are trying to educate people about the usage of glass as shielding material. The map for the countries and keywords involved in the research was mapped down by using VOS Viewer. For the keywords, any articles that includes glass and radiation shielding was accepted initially. The scope of study was then minimized by specifying the keywords such as mass coefficient attenuation, mechanical properties, and X-ray diffraction. Then, we finalized our report using all the information obtained from our research. For the conclusion, this analysis gave an overview of RSM research relies on 561 publications from Scopus database. We have noticed that countries or academic institutions, for the example Saudi Arabia, with a large number of publications in this study area. We have presented some areas that are currently well studied, such as material sciences that include glass radiation, and we have also identified several newly researched areas with RSM, such as artificial neural networks and economic assessments that may be potential hot topics for the future studies. Lastly, this is our references. That's all for me and my group. I hope that we can get good mark for this video and our project. Thank you.